Okay, ma'am. Anyone else home?
No, it's just me and my dog.
Are your dogs locked up?
Can I please see the warrant,
Yes.
please?
Yep, we'll give you a copy.
What is this?
Is your husband home or your children home?
No, my children are at school.
Here, sure. Here's that. Go ahead and step out. You want to step with my partner over here? They're going to explain everything to you, okay? We have to search it to make sure there's no one else here. So, go out with
I
them.
have to step out?
Yes.
Okay. Can I not get my purse or anything?
No. You have to go out with them. Let go of the phone now.
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go of the phone.
Let's step out, please. Thank you.
I'll stay with you.
It just...
I'm going to hang out with you, okay?
Can you please explain to me what's going on?
Yep. There's a search warrant for your house. Okay. I have an officer that's going to talk to you once we make sure that everything's safe in here. Okay? Alright? There's no one else home? There's no kids home? Anything like that?
No, but...
Is your husband home or is he
No.
working? Okay.
Can I call my lawyer at least? Like...
Yep, you can do that. Okay. But we're going to work on it, okay?
So I have to wait until you guys give me my phone?
Yes. There's a search warrant signed by a judge that says that we will be searching your house. Okay.
Max, you got upstairs?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
I'm going to go right.
Watch that deep corner. I don't know what's
My lawyer said I shouldn't open the door or do anything or tell you guys to contact them first. So
I
that's
understand.
not
If
true.
you didn't open the door, I would have broke it down. Okay? So you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? I've got a search warrant signed by a judge. It's not like I asked to come in. I've got an order to come in by the judge.
Okay.
Okay?